isn't my time.
If I save them, I may never see her again.
You gave me time, Dad. Now it's yours.
You saw a video made with the newly released VEO 3 model. So today I'm going to tell you how to get VEO 3 free for 15 months. So if you haven't subscribed to us yet, I kindly request you to subscribe now. So let's get to the video. So if you are not in the USA, you need a VPN. Search for Urban Proxy VPN on Google, then click on it and you will see an option called Add it to Chrome. This will add it to your extensions. Then go to your extensions and pin the VPN. Then click on the VPN and select USA as the location and connect. Then go to the link I left in the description and click on Get Offer. Then you need to go to Verify Student States. Actually, you need a student email for this to verify this. You can create a temporary student email from this website. All you have to do is give a username, choose a domain, and create your temporary email. I will also put the link in the description. Then verify by entering the code sent to your temporary email. You will then see that you are now eligible for the student discount. Then click on Free Trial. You will then see several payment options. So give the payment option that you like. You have nothing to worry about here. You will not be charged anything for 15 months. You can unsubscribe before 15 months. Subscribe after adding the payment option. Then you can click the Go to Gemini button to enter the tool. If you want to unsubscribe from the Pro version, go to Settings and Help here, then go to Manage Subscriptions, then go to Cancel Membership and you can do it. If you want to make a video, click on the video here, enter your prompt, and then click Enter. Let's now watch the rest of the video we watched earlier. In the next video, I will tell you how to create videos with Google Flow.
We thought the end would come fast, but it came quiet.
It's not just space we've bent, it's time.
Come back, okay? I will be waiting. Just don't forget me.
This is it, the edge of everything we know.
This isn't my time.
If I save them, I may never see her again.
You gave me time, Dad. Now it's yours.
You gave her up so she could live.
So if you haven't subscribed to us yet, do so now. Then you can watch a new video as soon as it's posted. Have a nice day.